Destiny of the Sky. The mysterious history and origins of the Zodiac. Since the dawn of time, humans have looked up at the night sky, seeking meaning among the stars. The shimmering constellations were more than mere points of light. Over time, they became symbols of gods, kings, and destiny. Thousands of years ago, in the lands of Mesopotamia, people endeavored to comprehend the celestial order, unlocking a gateway to the universe's mysteries. Each civilization that stepped through this portal inscribed its own deities, prophecies, and interpretations of fate into the stars. The zodiac signs are not just symbols. They are the mystical bond between humanity and the cosmos. Even today, millions believe that the celestial arrangement at their birth defines their identity. But where did this belief originate? When did the zodiac emerge? And why does it continue to wield such influence? The roots of the zodiac trace back to around 3000 BCE, to the Sumerians. Sumerian priests utilized the sky as a calendar, determining agricultural cycles, festivals, and warfare timings based on celestial patterns. Celestial movements provided not only physical, but also spiritual guidance. In ziggurats, temples dedicated to sky observation, priests documented their findings on clay tablets, creating the earliest celestial catalogs. Their purpose extended beyond science. The sky was perceived as the voice of the gods, the divine order of the universe. The Sumerians believed that specific stars signaled particular events. A star's brightness could foretell a king's death. An eclipse might herald war. Following the Sumerians, the Babylonians systematized this celestial connection further. They were among the first to define the zodiac belt, dividing the sky into 12 sections, laying the groundwork for the zodiac system we recognize today. These 12 divisions corresponded to the sun's annual path across the sky, each linked to a constellation: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and so on. The Babylonians also developed the concept of the natal chart, horoscope. By examining planetary positions at a person's birth, they attempted to predict character traits and future events. The foundational diagrams of what we now call astrology were born in this era. In ancient Egypt, the sky was considered the dwelling of gods. The sun god Ra journeyed across the sky by day and battled demons in the underworld by night. Egyptians employed a system called decans, dividing the sky into 10-degree segments. Initially developed for calendrical purposes, these segments gradually acquired spiritual significance. When Egyptian and Mesopotamian astrology merged, both religious and practical systems emerged. Stars came to signify not only time, but also destiny. In the 5th century BCE, the zodiac system reached the Greek world. undergoing significant evolution. Greek philosophers, inspired by Babylonian knowledge, integrated astrology with science and philosophy. Thinkers like Pythagoras, Plato, and Aristotle argued that celestial movements influenced life on Earth. Hipparchus aligned the zodiac with seasonal periods, discovering the precession of the equinoxes. Later, Claudius Ptolemy laid the foundations of modern astrology with his work Tetrabiblos. The Western understanding of the zodiac took shape during this period. The belief that planets, the sun, and the moon affect human fate became widespread. Astrology became a guide consulted by kings. Simultaneously, the Indian subcontinent saw the development of a system known as Vedic astrology. In India, astrology was an integral part of religious rituals and social order. Here, zodiac signs were called Rashi. In Vedic astrology, concepts like karma and rebirth were directly linked to the celestial order. Unlike Western astrology, it utilized the sidereal zodiac, based on fixed stars. Chinese astrology, based on a 12-animal cycle, was a completely different system but shared the same spiritual connection with the sky. During the Middle Ages, astrology intertwined with science. In Europe, universities taught astronomy and astrology together. Celestial maps were drawn, birth analyses conducted. Astrological knowledge guided medicine, agriculture, and politics. Especially during the Renaissance, astrology became both an intellectual and popular tool. Many great figures, from Michelangelo to Newton, engaged with astrology. In the 18th century, the scientific revolution diminished astrology's academic prestige. The sky was now explained through telescopes, mathematics, and physics. However, astrology never lost its popular appeal. In the 20th century, newspaper horoscopes, personality analyses, and compatibility tests revived its popularity. Psychologist Carl Jung argued that astrology operated through archetypal symbols. Astrology came to be seen not as science, but as a reflection of human psychology. Do zodiac signs truly determine our fate? Or are they symbols created by humans to understand themselves? Aries is fire, Taurus is earth, Gemini's air. Each represents an archetype. These symbols have become mirrors through which people have defined themselves for millennia. The zodiac is not just about the stars. It's a projector we hold up to ourselves. Throughout the ages, the zodiac has taken on various forms, yet humanity's gaze upon the sky has remained constant. Every child born leaves a mark under the stars, and every eye that looks up seeks meaning in the universe. Thus, the Zodiac continues to be the language of both the past and the future. Because the sky is always there, and we've never stopped looking up.